Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am trying out a new microphone I have got for my filming. Finally, I feel like this whole video should just be captioned, finally she's got a video up. Finally. So much has been going on, but I want to leave that to another video. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial and let's just jump into it. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with the eyes, and I'm actually going to be diving into my Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette, which we'll just all cry for this purple shade, but I'm going to do a nice green moss eyeshadow colour. Never done that before, I don't think. So I'm going to be using this palette here and a mixture of my Chi Chi Enchant with those green shimmers as well. Don't know how it's going to work or play out, but we're just going to do a moss green eyeshadow look. I just quickly went ahead and primed my eyelids with my Matte Soft Ochre paint pot and just set it down. And majority of my brushes are dirty. Typical. You know what I'm going to do this long weekend? Clean my brushes. So I'm going to start off with Peach Smoothie. I'm then going to take Creme Brulee. And applying Creme Brulee just under Peach Smoothie. I'm going to take Tiki Hut on a very fluffy brush. I'm going to take Dirty Martini and start the green process of the crease. Whoa, that's pigmented. Going to take Enchanted Forest and just pack that on as well and blend. I'm just going to explain what I did there. I just grabbed this middle shade from, just grabbed this middle shade from a Chi Chi palette and just popped that on top of that dark colour because I felt like I was losing green. I felt like I was just going really dark. So I'm just going to do that again. I'm going to take Jester, and this is the foiled eyeshadow, and pop that, give you the flip you guys off, give you in here. I'm going to use my finger first and then try brush. Now I have got this Napoleon Purtis loose eye dust in Jaded Green. I really want to put it on, but I don't want to, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do a little bit and see how it goes. We're going to work on the face now. Just going to use my Asano Clear, what is this? Detoxifying Serum. The primer I'm using is the Bourjois Matte Happy Light Serum. For foundation, I'm going to be trying out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude, the new one. I've got the shade 2W2 Rattan, and it's not the same shade as my other one because I think they didn't have the one I wanted online. And this is 2NW Desert Beige, which is actually my shade. So, ooh, okay, there's a bit of a difference. Right, okay, we'll just make it. Eyebrows are on, going to conceal my under eyes. Master Conceal by Maybelline. To set the concealer down in place, I'm going to be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium. I have the light one now, but I'm going to save that for another video. Okay, so we're going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going straight in with a Dirty Martini. I'm going to take Shimmer Shimmer on the inner corner highlight, and I've just done it. Dinged it with my bloody finger. Going to use my Australis Fresh and Flawless to set the rest of my face. And I'm so excited because Alex is away at the moment. He's away for 6 weeks, and he went into Sephora and he asked me, what do you want? And I said I want the Park Ave Princess by Tarte, and he sent it to me. And it was gorgeous. So I'm going to use this palette to contour and bronze. And you know what, I'm even going to take Enhance and just use that under my eyes because I can use the palette. Tarte stuff just smells amazing. So to contour, I'm going to take Princess Cut, which is this colour right here. And I'm going to take Carrot to Bronze, and I might take a bit of... I'm going to take Carrot to Bronze and then might take a bit of Angle. Oh, that's dark. Oh, shit. For blush, I'm going to take this Max Factor one in Puff Blush. No, Seductive Pink. I've had this for ages. It's like my go-to blush. And for highlight, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Indiscretion would help if I could pronounce it. Just going to use a Mario Badescu powder to set or freshen my face. Going to take Whirl, my lip liner, and then follow it with Whirl. No, sorry, this is Subculture. I'm going to take the Oh My Gloss in Purr. That'll do. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in my next one. I hope this microphone worked, otherwise I'm going to have to film another bloody video doing the exact same thing. But anyway, I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Bye!